Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contacts, and here we have to find the contact we would like to edit and tap on it. So actually it can be Anna, and now let's tap on edit contact. Here on the left you've got this camera icon in the circle, so just tap on it, as it is the option to change the photo. And here we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you are able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can simply choose a photo from the gallery, so as from the previously taken pictures. So let me pick this option, and here you have to decide where you want to complete this action. So using, for example, the gallery or Google Photos, and I will pick gallery. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and here just find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. Again, you have to decide where you want to complete in this action, which will thanks to which you will be able to crop the picture. And let me pick Google Photos this time. Tap on OK. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the size of this highlighted square. We can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, as this area is simply responsible for it. So just position it like you want to. It's really up to you. Here you can rotate the picture also, so just do it. And if you're ready, tap on done. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so let's tap on save. And as you can see, the photo will immediately appear on the contact. What's more, you will be able to see it on the contact list. So actually this is it. This is how to change the photo in a contact, the contact photo in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.